Welcome to Research Rocks. In this video, we will see WhatsApp are introducing WhatsApp Plus subscription plan. But in this video, we will see how to get WhatsApp Plus absolutely free. How many days we are receiving these features for free, and afterward how much money we need to pay. We will see my iPhone screen is here. I just simply open here my WhatsApp. If I click here my profile menu, so look at this here. Inside the setting, they are introducing first option subscription. If I click here in the subscription, so here find and manage your subscription all in one place. You just simply click here. Plus what we receive here inside, try WhatsApp Plus free for 1 month. Afterward you need to pay 19 DKK as a Danish krona, 20 DKK as a Indian currency, around 200. But if you get this subscription at India, so the subscription price is 79 INR. It's not so expensive. What we receive here, send exclusive sticker, choose a custom icon, change your profile themes, exclusive ringtone, upgrade your chat and listen, and ping extra chats as well. The custom stickers, you are receiving such kind of features. And how you can get this one absolutely free, you just simply say here start your free month, click, wait couple of seconds, and now you need to pay. Just simply I press here and my subscription is a start. So you can cancel anytime if you are not like this subscription plan for next month. So but first month you are free. This is successfully done. Wait couple of seconds to complete this process. So almost is done. Welcome to WhatsApp Plus. You are set all, explore what we receive, unlock premium stickers, customize app, pick your app icon, pin more chats, explore the benefits. Now my profile is a WhatsApp Plus. Today is a date June 2022 26. Here payment related option is available. If you want to cancel this one, you can cancel this subscription very easily. If you don't like, go back here. Plus now subscription is completed. Notification, inside the notification, look at this here, the ringtone here, the showing just only some of the ringtones we are receiving. Let's see. So those ringtone we are receiving, for this ringtone we need to pay really this amount of money as the next month. Some batches icon and nothing else in notification. Now I just simply clicked here appearance, and boom, look at this here, we are receiving here two features. App icon, if I select this icon here, you have changed the icon for WhatsApp. Go back here, so WhatsApp icon is definitely changed. If I select this one and go back, so my WhatsApp icon is a change. If you like this one, so you can use these features, use this icon, and your icon is a change like this. Now here the theme section, some couple of different themes are available, which theme you like, but I select here by default theme. Currently we are receiving 2-3 updates only after getting this subscription. Using this process you can receive 1 month WhatsApp Plus subscription absolutely free. If you have any question related on this video, you can ask me on comment section. Before leaving, please share this video and subscribe our YouTube channel Research Rocks. Till then, Jai Hind, Vande Mataram.